Thank you for staying with Republic. And well, our Kashmir Bureau Chief Zeenat Zishan Fazil, who recently spoke to Brigadier A. Katoch, under whose command Ops Pulwama was launched today. We get you this report.
Under 12 Sectors Command, once again operation was launched in Pulwama, this time anti-militancy operation in which 2 terrorists were neutralized. We are himself joined by the man, 12 Sector Commander Ajay Katoch. Thank you so much for talking to Republic. So how it's been the day and the neutralization of the militants?
Yesterday night, we received a specific input from Jammu and Kashmir Police with regard to presence of few terrorists in a cluster of houses in village Banju next to Pulwama. A detailed and deliberate operation was planned and a cordon was laid. While in the early hours, while the search party was moving inside the first house in the cordon, they were fired upon by the terrorists. In the initial fire, a CRPF constable was martyred. He was killed in action. Thereafter, we readjusted our cordon and the search parties, and we retaliated. In the retaliation, 2 terrorists were neutralized. The weapons, along with the dead bodies, have been handed over to Jammu and Kashmir Police for the further disposal as per the standard operating procedures.
So we are seeing a lot of anti-militancy operations being carried by the forces. And what's the number of terrorists that has been neutralized by 12 Sector in this month?
12 Sector RR, in last 20 days, have been able to neutralize 22 terrorists. These terrorists belong to Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba, and Hizbul Mujahideen, and also AGH Tanzeems.
Sir, tell me, what's the number that is present in your sector as of now?
The numbers have drastically come down to the numbers which are comparable to the times of Burhan Wani in July 2016. The numbers are in single digits for all the Tanzeems. A total of active terrorists in 12 Sector RR, comprising of Budgam, Pulwama and Shopian district parts, is around 13 to 14.
Sir, much is being talked about M4 weapon. Can you just tell us the weapon that is really available with the terrorists at present, and how effective is the weapon? Do you believe that by getting the weapons from the encounter site is really a blow to the terrorist outfits now?
There has been an effort by Pakistan to push in more number of weapons. There is scarcity of weapons with the terrorist Tanzeems here. In last 1 week or so, there have been recoveries of 2 M4 rifles, one in the encounter in Kulgam district, and one has been recovered in the IB sector, wherein, with the help of a quadcopter, 1 M4 rifle was being pushed into our borders. Terrorists in general are holding AK-47. There are very few M4 rifles which are there in the area.
Sir, one last question. What kind of efforts are being made by the Indian Army to get those terrorists back so that they should join mainstream?
We are regularly making appeals to the mothers of the terrorists. We are making appeals to the families of the terrorists. We are making appeals to the local terrorists to surrender. We will make all possible assistance to ensure that they come back to the mainstream. And once again, through your channel, we would like to appeal to them to surrender and shun this path of violence.
Thank you so much for talking to Pablo. 22 terrorists killed by security forces, particularly of 12 Sector here, that comprises of Pulwama, Shopian and also Budgam. 22 terrorists were neutralized by this sector in this very much where you have some more days to go. In fact, the operation Pulwama was launched by this very sector in which 2 terrorists were neutralized. Bodies, arms and ammunition were recovered from the encounter site, and that later on were handed over to Jammu and Kashmir Police as well as security forces are seeing the operations as big success because there is hardly any collateral damage, although in today's operation one CRPF personnel also lost his life. But at the same time, we are also seeing an appeal coming from Indian Army asking the misguided youth to come back and join mainstream, and whatever possible help is required, that will be provided to them.
And